Saan ako titingin? Hi, my name is Jes Porras and I am a manager in the catering department of Cebu Pacific. I make moments happen for passengers by making sure all fun meals are delivered hot, fresh, and served on time. I also make sure all catering requirements are loaded in each flight, from all the supplies our flight crew will need, the fun game prizes you'll get to win in flight, to the items you will see in your seat's pocket. Wherever the aircraft goes, our team is there to service it. Even though I handled food side of the business, 90% of my work is all about logistics and processes. My job is to make sure we are able to preserve quality of food you will eat and safely loaded in each flight. I am proud to be part of the Cebu Pacific catering team who powers through each day with a smile and remains agile to adapt different challenges in the airline industry. Cebu Pacific passengers can be assured that we have rigorous food safety standards that complies with the hazard analysis and critical control points, or what we call HACCP. It is a food safety system developed by NASA that lowers the risk for contamination during the food preparation process. This also serves as the standard for our certification from Bureau of Quarantine. Apart from looking after food safety, we also address religious requirements of some of our passengers. We serve halal certified meals. Cebu Pacific promotes equality, diversity, and inclusivity in the workplace. Regardless of your background and position, we recognize the ability of every individual within the team.